Hello everyone, this is Tony and I wanted to leave a quick review about my QIDI Shadow 5.5 S Resin 3D printer. So I'm new in the resin 3D printer world and I've been reading a lot, I've been trying to decide what was better, and at the end I chose this one because I read a lot about their great customer service. I know that maybe Anycubic or Elegoo have bigger communities, but I really value a great customer service and I can only confirm that. But before talking about that, I wanted to talk about the great results I'm having with this printer. I paint mainly miniatures for my gaming, for work gaming, and so really small objects, very detailed, and I'm having great results with this printer doing that. I love the design, I love the red and gold. This has also a double carbon filters to reduce the odors, and I'm really sensitive to odors, so I really appreciate this feature. And it has also a double Z axis, so it's very solid. I mean, the whole machine gives you really an impression of solidity. It's very sturdy. This is all metal, so it's really great. It's very well built. This is great. But I had only a small problem with my resin bath because this is painted gold, and eventually it started to lose the paint here, the gold paint. So here there's a label on the case, after sales services. After sales service, there are two email addresses. So this was on Thursday. I live in Italy. It was already Thursday, maybe lunchtime or late morning. I wrote to this email address saying I have a problem with my resin bath, I'm losing the paint, what can we do? They replied immediately, like within an hour they replied telling me just send us your order number and your shipping address. So I did it, and the following day in the morning already, it was Friday morning, they told me we sent you a new resin bath. So I was really impressed by their customer service, their communication, their efficiency. They're very fast. So on Monday morning here in Italy, it was around 11 p.m. or something, I received this. I didn't even expect it. When the guy of the delivery arrived, I said, but I'm not waiting anything. Is it for me? Then I checked and I had QIDI from China. I was really surprised. It arrived in one working day, from Friday to arrived on Monday morning. So I was really surprised. I'm really amazed by the customer service. So I will open this now to check the new resin bath. So let's see. Let's move this here. Okay, the packaging is good. Okay, this is the new resin bath. They told me in advance that it would have been black. Okay, so it doesn't have anymore the problem that it loses the paint. But I don't care. It's new, it's great, it's black. But as long as it doesn't lose the paint anymore, this is good. Okay, so we just put this. Okay, so that's all. Okay, I just wanted to say that I'm really happy of the choice I made with the QIDI Shadow, and I think I will keep supporting this company in the future. I've been having really great results painting with this machine, so I can only recommend it. Have Have a nice day. Goodbye.